lathe is currently broken, so I'm going to go back to how I first started making rings, basically, without the lathe. You're going to need two things, though. One, obviously, a ring blank, because you can't machine one, and two, a way of holding that. I'm just going to use a mandrel, but what I used to do was use one of these, or a ceramic bit, wrap it in tape, just so it'll, sit tightly on this, and then you'll need either a Dremel or a drill press. I'm going to use the drill press just because I have one, but it can be done with the Dremel. Just make it hold with the tape, and then stick that in the Dremel, and then you're good to go. So for this ring, I'm going to do a mix of 3 different opals, blue glow powder, and some gold leaf. Now here's the optional step. I'm going to put mine on the drill press, obviously. It's just easier. You can use the Dremel here and just keep sanding. the last step, you could just use a polishing wheel, but I'm going to use micro mesh. Goes in that order, and it gives a really good finish.